And now, a Studio 78 world premiere.
Hey guys, Tom from Optoma here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the lamp on your Optoma projector. Alright, well we're going to need our Optoma projector, our genuine Optoma lamp, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's start by removing the old lamp. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw on the lamp door, and then remove the lamp door. Remove the screw that's holding the lamp in place. Then raise the handle and use the handle to lift the lamp out of the projector. Also make sure to disconnect the wiring harness. And now let's install the new lamp. Connect the wiring harness, seat the lamp into the projector and lower the handle. Then tighten the screw. Replace the lamp door and tighten the screw on the lamp door. And there we go. Bright shiny new lamp in your Optoma projector. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit us at OptomaUSA.com. I'm Tom from Optoma. Thanks for hanging out.